For decades, Nigerians believed a single narrative about the Southeast, a region struggling, underdeveloped, falling behind. But today, the truth is impossible to hide. A new middle class is rising. Educated, urban, tech-savvy, investment-driven, reshaping the region's economy and redefining the future of its cities. This is a story Nigeria can no longer ignore. The Southeast is not waiting for the government to save it. It is not relying on massive federal projects or oil money. Instead, the region is experiencing something rare in Nigeria: bottom-up development. From Abakaliki to Onitsha, Nnewi to Enugu, Owerri to Aba, a new class of Nigerians is emerging. Young professionals, entrepreneurs, skilled workers, and returning diaspora. And they are transforming their cities in ways the rest of the country cannot ignore. The rise of the Southeast middle class is not by accident. Three powerful forces are pushing this transformation. First one, education and skill mobility. The Southeast leads Nigeria in education pursuit per capita. Every year, tens of thousands of graduates, engineers, doctors, bankers, tech professionals return home to invest, live, or build. Force 2. Diaspora investment. The region receives some of the highest remittance flows in the country. But what makes the Southeast unique is this: the money doesn't stay idle. It becomes houses, shops, estates, businesses, and new ventures. Force 3. Entrepreneurship culture. Igbo entrepreneurship, from tech to trade to manufacturing, is fueling a new consumption-driven urban economy. Businesses are expanding, salaries are rising, and spending power is increasing. To understand the rise of the middle class, look at the cities. Enugu is expanding into a clean, organized urban center with new malls, high-end residents, and tech clusters. Owerri has become a hospitality powerhouse, filled with lounges, cafes, hotels, and entertainment spots. Awka is transforming into a modern administrative capital, with estates rising monthly. Abakaliki is building some of Nigeria's most impressive road networks and urban boulevards. Anambra's satellite towns are exploding with private development. The Southeast middle class is redefining what it means to live well. Modern shopping habits, private schools and international education, better roads and organized neighborhoods, restaurants and lounges now filled every weekend, high-speed internet adoption, tech-driven businesses. Incomes are not just rising, expectations are rising too. Nigeria's economic future depends on strong middle classes, regions where people work, build, invest, and spend. A thriving Southeast middle class means more tax revenue, more SMEs, more innovation, more job creation, more urban expansion, more political stability. It also means Nigeria becomes more balanced. less dependent on one region for economic survival. For years, the Southeast has been portrayed as struggling for political reasons, historical reasons, and sometimes sheer bias. But that narrative is now collapsing. Social media has exposed the truth. Content creators are showing their cities. Drone footage is revealing the developments the media never showed. The rise of the Southeast middle class is not only real, it is impossible to hide. The Southeast middle class is not a trend. It is not temporary. It is a structural transformation built on education, business, diaspora, and self-reliance. This region is rising, and for the first time, the entire country is beginning to notice.